Ray Facebook?
I did.
Okay. Do you recall the picture that Mr. Ray had on his Facebook saying slick boys, Paulo in the building? Do you recall seeing that picture?
I would respectfully object to him getting into matters that with no idea where he came from, who may have posted or not posted or anything like that. She indicated that she investigated Facebook and she didn't find any threat whatsoever. And that's the extent of what she could probably testify to. Plus, it's getting into a legal question. Irrespective of that, all that would be totally improper. It's so far afield from what gets in the matter.
Your Honor, it's relevant. It's relevant because this goes to the part of the investigation. Control slick boys. See, I know, but they keep objecting. I can't say that. I can't get it in. But if she investigated his Facebook, she has seen the pictures on Omar Ray's Facebook.
Rule objection.
The pictures, as you investigated his Facebook, the pictures that was on there posted by some slick boys. When Mr. Ray and Jadon Brooks got the picture, they was all in the club doing the little gang sign, whatever.
Your Honor, that is an improper question. Now, he can ask a question about what it is that she may see, but I can't offer comment.
Okay. When you investigated their Facebook and you saw Omar Ray and Jadon Brooks and Kenyatta County in the pictures,
He has not established what she may have seen or not, or let's just didn't say it.
Okay. Do you recall seeing pictures on his Facebook?
I do recall looking at some photographs.
Okay. Did you look at some photographs with Mr. Omar Ray and Jadon Brooks and Kenyatta County? Did you look at those photographs?
I do remember seeing some photographs with Jadon Brooks. I don't remember whether or not Kenyatta Campbell were in the photographs or not.
Okay. In that photograph, did you recall seeing Uptown Paul, those slick boys in the big building up under that picture?
I really don't recall seeing that. I do recall that the photographs were taken maybe at a club or something like that.
Okay. You said, what made you think it was in a club? Did it look like it was in a club?
It looked like it was a gathering of people, like maybe they were out in the evening or something. I'm not really sure where exactly it was, but I didn't pay a lot of attention to that. What I was looking for were threats that were written to him specifically.
Can I show you the Facebook and show you the picture and refresh your memory on that, man?
Yes.
Is that on this?
Well, I got some on the picture right here too, but I prefer to show it on the disc.
Well, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. You got to print it out. It shows Mr. Mullen first. You don't want to show.
Yeah, I was going to put the defendant decisions on it. Maybe 30 to 39. Ma'am, do you recognize what you see in the defendant exhibit 38 to 39?
I do.
Is it fair and accurate presentation of what you seen on Omar's Facebook when you looked at it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I would like to tell the evidence, defendant exhibit 38 to 39.
Judge, I do have some objections to it because, and that's what I'm getting to, is what Facebook about how things are posted, reposted, and everything else. And to that extent, I would have objected to it. I think the idea of showing it to her and then asking questions about it, I don't have an objection. For something like that to go in, you have to establish a certain foundation about certain Facebook matters, about who made posts on that, and what was posted and everything else. So I would object to it along those lines.
I thought you were showing it to her to refresh your recollection. I would not find the foundation complaint.
Well, Your Honor, she said she looked at it, she recognized the pictures, they were doing an investigation, and she didn't put it up there. And it told her relevant and to the truth of the matter. If she investigated, she recognized it there, that means she know what it is. And she just stated that they, an agent got an investigation, they did a warrant to get it, and she done viewed it, and she have recognized what it is. I feel like the jury should see it, so they can get a full understanding of all the matters that go on in this case, because my life on the line here. If we here for the truth, she didn't put it up there, we don't know who put it up there. The jury, they didn't want to decide how they gonna vote.
Mr. Hood, I'm not going to admit those exhibits on the foundation that has been laid so far. So, I'm going to ask her questions. I will do that. Welcome, state's objection, I'm not going to do that.
What can I use them as far as them, the monster steps?
You can ask her questions. I thought you were seeking to refresh your recollection. That's what you started on, I thought.
Okay. You make sure we on. Ma'am, looking at them photographs, is that what you saw?
Yes.
Okay. There's slick balls up under them pictures in that club, the picture took.
Get into the contents of it, that is not the way to do that. I would object.
You know, that's over to what you saw. If the part of the picture you saw, if it's on there, it's relevant. That's what I'm asking.
Pictures are not limited to place group. Pictures are not limited.
Okay, I'm not asking you that again. I mean, I'm not asking Sean, but I'm asking her what she's looking at, and that's part of what she's
Ask
asking.
those questions about the Facebook page. But she's looked at it now. I can't tell you anything about it.
So, I'm trying to correct, so I can ask the question, but I can't answer the
All
question.
you can do is ask the question, and I will have to see if there's an objection or not.
Ma'am, how many people you see in that picture?
There's several people. 5, and well, which picture? Because there are a couple of pictures here.
Okay, what's your Don Brooks, Danny Red, Henry Lamar, Kenyatta Campbell?
I'll be honest with you, look at these pictures. They're so grainy, I can't tell who's who.
What?
It looks like 4 or 5 figures in here.
Do they appear, do those appear to be the picture that you saw on this list here? Yeah.
They do.
You can see it better?
Yeah.
Okay. Did that picture, don't picture have any writing up on it?
It does.
Okay, what the writing is up on the picture?
You can't get that hearsay. That's what you're talking about there. You don't know who wrote what or when it may have been written.
Objection, hearsay, and I sustain that objection.
We not getting into who wrote it. Mr. Race could have wrote it himself. And again, Mr. Ray, unfortunately, he's not here to testify. And for the hearsay rule, this is Mr. Ray's Facebook page. So he can't say who wrote what on Mr. Ray's Facebook page because unfortunately, Mr. Ray is not here to talk for himself.
I sustain the objection.
Well, I just like to state for the record, I have a continuous objection as far as you won't let me state what the name up on the picture. I just like to state that for the record. I feel like it's biasing the president, judge, and making this prosecution again. I just like to state that for the record. Okay, ma'am. How many other pictures you see on there?
Which
I mean, on the Facebook, in your investigation.
there were several pictures.
There's several pictures. Did any of those pictures have anything about slick bars on it?
No.
Other than the one that you looked at?
No. I hate to do this, but there's a man that picked up my customer.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I would object to these matters, and this is, as you understand, he's trying to somehow imply something negative about the victim with this slip boy stuff, and continues to say that in front of the jury. And he himself said he doesn't know who may have put that on the Facebook page. And that's the problem. That is the hearsay problem with it. Because there's no way to establish who may have said what, and there's no way to ever cross-examine the person who may have said what, or what the context was, or anything like that. She had even indicated basically that she could see who was in the particular photos that he showed her at that time. She indicated they did investigate Facebook. They didn't find any such threats after investigating that. Because his line of questioning had to do with whether they did an investigation into that, which she indicated she did. But the only purpose of him doing this is to try to somehow put some label of slip boys in regard to Omari Ray. That is his only purpose to do it. And for him to continue to do that, I mean, that's what's particularly wrong about that. Folks can post on Facebook page who has access or who doesn't have access. There's all kind of significant issues about that. With this right here on this exhibit, you know, he can't keep asking about what does that say, you know?
Yo, I'm not doing this to imply nothing bad on Mr. Ray. You know, your strong witness, Don Brooklyn, got up there talking about he want a slick boy. I know he a slick boy. He know, can I believe that?
Well, you can, but really, you need to focus on the issue that we have. Is this space, and that's the space of the issue. That's all. That's what it's
You
about.
know, the issue is here. It all go together. See, I was having problems. Kenyatta, Campbell, Jadon, Brook, Omar, all them slick boys. Let me show you where I'm going with it, Judge, so we can stop it. I'm not doing this to make Mr. Ray look bad. I'm doing it for the truth. Okay, Jadon, don't come here and talk about you know about them slick boy, and when you know who you are. Judge, that with the drug affiliation come with it. I was dealing with it. See, they the one come over there and me. And he the one got on this dance and he ain't never been a slick boy. They in the club picture like I had told them from the jump. We all in pictures taking, in the club taking pictures. And this will tell on them. They been slick boys. They know it, and he know it. he gonna take that stand, I ain't no slick ball, no man about it. Yeah, you are. That's why we're dealing with them drugs, Judge. Kenyon County, Ken Omar, all them slick balls. I was dealing with them. I know who they are. So this picture will tell you it's the truth of the matter, Judge. I'm not doing this to make Mr. Ray look bad. I'm here, hey, let's don't throw the rock and hide the hand. He had his whole case, and he didn't tell Mr. Ray's family, nobody that Mr. Ray had been receiving death threats on Facebook or by phone. See, that's deceitful. You're going to put it on Jamie, and then when I come here and call his hand on it, and I got evidence to show it, he know it now. I object, Judge. He keep coming up objecting. Why you want to object to something you can see for yourself? That's why I keep doing it.
I'm
I'm true
trying
for
to
it.
decide about the admissibility of this piece of evidence is what it boils down to.
I understand, Judge, but he keeps saying, well, I'm asking questions. I'm asking these questions because, unfortunately, I live this. And when somebody come here and say something ain't right, I know it firsthand. That's why I keep asking the question I'm asking.
Do you understand that we've got to follow the rules of evidence? Yeah, do you remember that? You remember we talked about that?
That's what I've been.
Let me say, you remember we talked about that, and when you decided to represent yourself, you agreed to follow the rules.
I'm going to do it whether you do it or not. I got to do it evidence book, Judge. You know, y'all had to come back in and refix what I told y'all. Y'all said I was wrong, but he come back and say I was right. I know about the rule of evidence. I got to bring you.
Does it say in the rules that when the court has ruled, you move on to something else? You make your objection and move on?
That's what I've been doing, Judge, the whole time. Because again, if we talking like that, how many times I could have had for a mid-trial?
I don't know.
Yeah, I do. I understand. But what I'm just trying to just get back to you in a positive way, I know the rules of evidence. I know I'm so good, I know I could have been stopped the trial. That's why I have the books. I read it for myself. So when somebody say something they ain't got no business saying, whether I like it or not, I know what's going on.
Focus on the issue we have in front of us.
See, okay, the issue is the rule of evidence. Is it G, rest date, or whatever they say, if a person is dead, hearsay is admissible. Is it somewhere in there? Do I got to find it? I think all y'all should know more better than me. Is hearsay admissible if the person is dead? Mr. Ray, unfortunately, dead is in his Facebook. And ain't nobody can know what the man put on his Facebook before now. I don't have that. I didn't make the objection.
Can I see the two exhibits, 38 and 39, please? Anything else, Mr. Baldwin?
Hey, Your Honor, he's obviously alternate for the subject matter, certainly.
All right. I am going to allow Rick to answer questions about 30,
Ayes.
And 39, and I'm going to admit 38 and 39 as evidence. What do you want those in your hand?
Yes, sir.